நாராயணனே நமக்கே பறை தருவான் பாரோர் புகழப் படிந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். The second Pasuram of Thiruppavai is vaiyattu vaazhvIrgAL nAmum pAvaikkuch seyyum kirisaigaL kELIrO pARkaDaluL paiyat tuyinRa paraman adipadi neyyuNNOm pAluNNOm nAtkAlE nIrADi maiyittezhudOm malariTTu seyyAdana seyyOm tIkkuRaLaich senROdOm aiyamum pichchaiyum Andanaiyum kATTi uyumarennி ugandhelor In this second Pasuram, Andal describes the discipline to be observed during the Vratam. She describes the do's and don'ts and the general expected behavior. Commentators of Thiruppavai refer to this as Kritya, what is to be done, and Akritya, what is to be avoided during the Vratam. One must understand the difference between what we must do and what we must not do in order to lead a meaningful life. Andal invites her friends to follow the discipline and sing the praises of the Lord who is in Yoga Nidra in the Ksheera or the pARkaDaluL or ocean of milk. In order to make it very clear, Andal develops a code of conduct, a list of do's and don'ts, and she starts with the don'ts. Abstaining from consuming milk and ghee because the nectar of Krishnanubhavam is sweeter than the milk and ghee that is abundantly available in her hometown. She then says, we will abstain from adorning our hair with flowers and decorating our eyes with mai or collyrium or kohl or kajal, which is the cosmetic for the eyes. When we apply makeup or cosmetics, we are enhancing our external beauty. We look into the mirror to see if we look good. Andal encourages us to focus on what is inside, the beauty inside the heart where only Bhagavan dwells. Andal then dives into human behavior and establishes a set of behavioral standards. How do we behave with other fellow beings? She urges us not to speak ill of others and refrain from gossip. Practice generosity by giving to the needy, to the mendicants and ascetic sages without any expectation of returns and favors. kATTi means show by your hand or indicate with your hand. If we are not able to help someone, instead of thinking and feeling bad that we cannot help them, let us at least direct the person towards the resource or source of help. This is also considered a valid form of charity. Any genuine help is considered charity. And how should one do charity? Taittiriya Upanishad says, Shraddhaya deyam, Ashraddhaya adeyam, Shriya deyam, Hriya deyam, Bhiya deyam, Samvida deyam. This mantram from Taittiriya Upanishad outlines the qualities and attitudes that should accompany the act of giving. Charity is a sacred act, and it should spring from sincerity and pure intent. Our attachment to an object must not be an hindrance to give it to someone who needs it more. Give with happiness and humility. Our thoughts and words must be aligned with our action of giving charity. Swami Vivekananda says, let the giver kneel down and give thanks. Let the receiver stand up and permit. In this Pasuram, Andal gives us a broad prescription for leading a noble life. Yes, Andal holds these behaviors as prerequisites for the Vratam. But the deeper implication is to practice this code of conduct consistently and strive to become better human beings. This Pasuram conveys the second expression of bhakti, smaranam or thinking of the Lord. uyumarennி empavai. Uyyum Aru refers to the 6 noble qualities of Krishna. Uyumarennி, let us think of the 6 noble qualities of Bhagavan. The Tirunamam in this Pasuram is paiyat tuyinRa paraman. The Tirunamam is in Tamil, the Lord who is in a gentle stage of yoga nidra, contemplating how to help his devotees. The Divya Desam for this Pasuram is Thiruppavai or the Ksheerasagara or the ocean of milk, which is the abode of Mahavishnu. Andal Tiruvadigalе Charanam.